have a horizontal line in your Word document and you can't seem to get rid of it, I can't select it, if I hit delete, that doesn't work, well, here's what you got to do. A horizontal line within your document is most likely a border. So here's how you get rid of it. Make sure your cursor is above the line. On the Home tab in your paragraph grouping, go to your Borders command, click the drop-down arrow, and you can do one of two things. Either select No Border, and that gets rid of it, or let me drop down here to the second line. Again, I'm going to go to Borders, but now I can go down to Borders and Shading, and I can see here in my preview area there is a border. I can either select None, or if I just double click on this bottom line right there, it goes away. Click OK. And that's how you get rid of those horizontal lines in your Word document. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. And now that you know how to delete a horizontal line, you might like to watch this video on how to insert a horizontal line with quick and easy shortcuts.